Real quick intro to explain a couple things. I know I mentioned near the beginning of the race about the brakes. It was hard for me to find time to, accurately describe how they felt during the race. But as soon as the race started and we headed towards turn one, I could tell immediately that something was off. Every time we came into that turn one braking zone, I was wondering if I was going to stop in time or just absolutely obliterate the person who was in front of me. They didn't feel particularly responsive. Really had to press hard to get them to brake. Oftentimes I would brake and I felt like they weren't doing anything. But it's not necessarily a bad thing. Rental karting, this is part of the job. You got to figure out the quirks and the features of each kart that you step into. Not a big deal. That's part of the magic of rental karting. So if you like what you see, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, go watch a bunch of Korean TV. I don't know, do whatever you want.
Back for a fun little bonus race. Same course layout as before. It's a classic course layout. Got a couple cone sections. Oh, sorry. sorry, my bad. Who was that? Brian, my bad. I was too busy yapping, Brian. I'm sorry. So, looks like we're basically starting in last, so that's cool. I love it. The brakes on this one are interesting. That's what I'll say about these brakes. All right, good start, man. What a great night of racing it's been. Legitimately, everyone has been so good and clean. I've been a big fan of how tonight's gone. Stay there, Dave. Stay there, Dave. Good job. Ooh, those brakes do not feel like they are working particularly well. I had to brake. They did not feel like they were braking. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Dennis. Let's go, Dennis. Ah! Good stuff. Oh, Dennis. Oh. Okay, I'll try to give some space there, Clay. A little space. Okay, we're gonna work our way up. Oh my God, doesn't want to turn left at all. Man, everyone's going wide. We got a lot of too wide racing going on here, I'll say that. 3 wide. Ah, sorry, Brian. Oh boy. Okay, can we get into the leader rotation? That's the question. Dennis. Yep, let him take it. There you go. All right. All right, time to take the cones. Oh wow, it's way over here. Usually I'm expecting that entry to be a little sooner than it was. I'm so far away from that turn. My God. Okay, I gotta turn a little earlier with this kart. I know, I'm getting over there. Don't worry. I'm getting over. Oh boy, that wasn't good. We're down to first to fourth. Ow! Okay. Let's try to hold this. Try to hold it. Wow. Oh, we're 3 wide. We're 3 wide. I'm trying to stay inside. I think there just wasn't enough space. I was definitely trying to crank that wheel to the right so there was enough space for everyone to be 3 wide. Wow, good race, good race. Oh, I was coming for that back end.